Hello and welcome everyone to the Philosophy Intellectual. We're here to explore the depths of human understanding, to unravel the mysteries of the mind, and to journey through the vast landscapes of human thought. Today, we're embarking on a quest to uncover one of life's most intriguing questions. What is happiness? It's a topic that has fascinated humanity for centuries, a pursuit that has been at the core of our existence. From ancient philosophers to modern scientists, everyone has sought to define and understand happiness. So, buckle up as we delve into the pursuit of happiness, its science, and the philosophical perspectives surrounding it. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. What is happiness? It's a question that has intrigued humanity for centuries. From ancient philosophers to modern scientists, the pursuit of happiness has been a central focus of our existence. But what does it truly mean to be happy? Is it the pursuit of pleasure, the attainment of success, or something deeper and more profound? Scientists have long sought to unravel the mysteries of happiness, delving into the inner workings of the human brain and behavior. Through our research, we've discovered that happiness is not just a fleeting emotion, but a complex interplay of genetics, environment, and personal choices. Philosophers, on the other hand, have approached the question of happiness from a different angle, exploring its ethical and existential dimensions. Happiness, to me, is not merely the absence of pain or suffering but a state of flourishing, a life lived in accordance with one's values and principles. So, how can we unlock the secrets of happiness and live a more fulfilling life? It begins by understanding the science and philosophy behind our pursuit of happiness. One key to happiness is cultivating gratitude and mindfulness in our daily lives. By appreciating the present moment and expressing gratitude for what we have, we can experience greater joy and satisfaction. Another important factor is fostering meaningful connections with others. Research has shown that strong social ties and supportive relationships are essential for our well-being and happiness. Having a sense of purpose and meaning in life is also crucial for happiness. When we have clear goals and a sense of direction, we feel more fulfilled and motivated to pursue our dreams. Ultimately, happiness is a journey, a continual process of self-discovery and growth. By integrating the insights of science and philosophy, we can unlock the secrets of true fulfillment and lead happier, more meaningful lives. So as we embark on this journey together, let's remember that happiness is not just a destination, but a way of life, a choice we make each and every day. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the science and philosophy of happiness. As we've learned, gratitude and meaningful connections are key ingredients in the recipe for happiness. So, why not start practicing them today? First, try to incorporate gratitude into your daily routine. Write down 3 things you are grateful for each day, or simply take a moment to appreciate the world around you. Remember, it's not about the size of the thing you're grateful for, but the sincerity of your appreciation. Second, reach out to the people in your life. Spend quality time with those you love, offer help to a friend in need, or even make a new connection. As the saying goes, happiness is only real when shared. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Do you have a personal philosophy of happiness? What practices or habits have you found helpful in your pursuit of happiness? Please share your insights and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video insightful and want to join us on more journeys into the fascinating world of philosophy, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate your support and look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.